moment. So.
Ah, right.
Fire in the hole. No.
What is it, dodgy flint or frizzen?
Could be a number of things. Might be with flint, but we'll whack that and see how it goes. Here we go. Got rid of it that time.
Oh, I think that might have cleared it.